door. Oh no, I'm being recorded saying the N-word. Guess I got to give the neighbors what a gold back.
Welcome back to Galthor's Outdoors Man. I'm your host, Galthor's Outdoors Man, and today, raising the roof.
Sides all freed up. Can I be up here alone for 5 fucking minutes?
Have your chin down like you're working on shit. Absolutely manhandling Kelsey right now.
Nothing new.
Whoa, whoa. That's for Galthor's Indoors.
You're a whore. You whore yourself out online. You whore yourself out in front of your family and your friends.
Ooh. The crowbar is inside. Here. Oh, this fucking short ass ladder. Hey, how's it going? I thought this was just gonna roll up like a sleeping bag. This is shit. Yeah. It's all wanting to come over to your side, kinda.
We're gonna roll it up all the way until the end like a big stogie, and then we're gonna grab it, and we're gonna walk down the ladder.
Oh, it's a tight squeeze. God, my forehead is itchy. Good lord. A little bit more. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Fuck me. Now it's free. Holy shit.
You get on the ground. Okay, I'm on the ground.
Alright.
You want me to like swing it out a little bit?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. What's your angle, kid? It's a pretty low one to me.
You know.
375 is A. So 13.4375 A squared plus the sum of 184.25 squared equals C squared put to.
Give me your goo, dude. Give me your goo, dude.
Look at all these putty patch marks in between where the butt joints were, and I've got to sand all that down.
The other two were 75. Exactly.
How to roll a fucking backup for your giant friend while you're in D&D as a diminutive, rolling a giant for your giant party.
and fubu. Get going!
Bumping in my Honda, stomping in my darkness. Bumping in my Honda, stomping in my darkness. Bumping in my Honda, and I'm stomping in my darkness. Driving around my whole crew, Jack Daniels and my Mountain Dew. Like yellow weed running through, picking up girls that we done subdue. Flexing on cops, flexing on haters, flexing on pops, flexing on neighbors, flexing on cops, flexing on haters, flexing on pops, flexing on neighbors. Oh, that shit is supreme.
Galthor's indoors.